Hi guys, welcome back. Alpha Wolf here. It's so great to talking to you guys today. I feel so blessed, privileged to be alive. Thank you Lord for another opportunity, guys. So today I want you guys to take this video very serious because I'll be teaching you guys something that if you leverage on it during this Valentine's period, like when it comes to Valentine, you're going to make money. You're going to make good amount of money. We'll be looking at probably $500 to $5,000 if you play your card well. At least you make $50, right? So basically there are websites that people go to get card to give their lovers during Valentine. And you know, Valentine period is a period where people believe that is the time for them to showcase and express their love to their partner. And we will be doing business, making money, while we are also sharing love and sending love to people. So basically, what we'll be doing is we'll be creating Valentine's card, and we'll be selling them online digitally, and we'll be making money from people that buy our card. Now, the only thing you need to do is to just design the Valentine's card, and I'll be showing you how you can design fast Valentine card. In fact, the templates are already there. All you need to do is to just do one or two editing, while I'll also show you the platform you'll be uploading this card to, so that you can quickly make money, because people will be coming to this particular website to shop for cards. That is what they do. That is the only thing they do on that website, to shop for cards. If you look at this website now, you can see some design templates. All these are Valentine's card, and if you click on any one of them, let's just pick a card. Let's say we pick this one. You click on this card, you're going to see that this card is not free. It's not free. People are paying to get this card, and I'm going to show you the price. Then I'll show you step by step how we can design our cards and we can upload our card. Now, there's a very important information during the course of this video that I want you to take note of, so that you will not make any mistake and you will earn money. But it is very important that you watch this video from beginning to the end, so that you would not miss out on that information, right? Now look at this particular card. If you want to send this card, or if you want to get this card, you need to pay for it, and you'll be paying the sum of $4.99, which is just $5 to get the card. They're going to print the card and they'll send it to whoever you want to send the card to, including the delivery. And a lot of people that will be buying this card are people based in the United States. So irrespective of the location you find yourself, you're in Nigeria, you're in Ghana, you're in anywhere in the world, you can design your card, put it there, because Americans will be the ones majorly patronizing this platform and buying your cards. Now, if you want to sell your designs, there are some things you need to take note of. But before then, I'm going to show you step by step how you can design this card. Some people will say, oh, I'm not really gifted in design, I'm not gifted in graphics, I don't even know how to design anything. How am I going to come up with a card? Just keep watching this video. I'm going to show you what to do. Now, the first thing you need to do is for you to go to this popular website that they call Canva.com. Canva.com, Canva.com. Canva. Now, Canva is a website where people do all their design stuff, from posters to banners to logos to graphics. Every form of design, you can do it on Canva.com. And the beautiful thing is that there's already a template that you can use to create your design. So guys, this is Canva.com. You can see I've done a lot of designs. This is where I do my majority of my YouTube thumbnail designs from. But from Canva.com, there are different templates here. What you will do is follow me step by step. This is a free Canva tool. So there are some materials I can get for free, and there are some that I need to pay to get all access. You don't need the all access one. This free one is going to serve for today's tutorial. Right now, when you come to Canva.com, you are going to search for something. Search for Valentine's card. This is what I want you to search. When you click enter, it's going to load and show you different design. If you are not using a laptop, you can actually do this with your mobile phone. Just follow the same process. The only difference will be the view, but it is still the same function. When you search for Valentine's card, you are going to see different Valentine's card. Now take note of something. Any card you see that has this N stuff, this Naira sign, it means that you have to pay for it to use it. And the one that you don't see any Naira sign, it means you can use it, is free access. So I'm going to scroll through. You can pick some of the cards from here, and anyone you select, you can begin to edit them, the ones that are free. For example, I can take this card and edit it. This one, I can just select this card, right, and I'll edit it. And let me just see if I can see other cards that can catch my interest. Okay, yeah, I've seen another beautiful card. All you need to do, you are not recreating a lot of things, you are basically editing what has been there before, and we are going to be uploading this thing and making money from it. Somebody has created this design. Please don't go and copy somebody's design and just upload it like that. No, you are going to do a very simple and easy editing, then we are going to go back to upload this and we get paid from the design, right? This is what you are going to do for me. I've selected one design, I've selected another one, this one too. So now these designs, we are going to edit them. Now look at this. I'm going to do a quick editing on this particular design, right? Men looking at this one, I already know some things I can do. First thing I can do is I can just delete this particular stuff. I'm going to delete it, that art. Then this happy Valentine's Day, I'm going to bring it somewhere down. Then from this part, I'm going to drag this one down from whoever it is. I'm going to drag this down, and the toe, I'm going to drag it too, right? I'm just going to drag them down. This is very easy to do. You can do this, right? So, and what I'm going to do is this space that I've created here, this one, right? I need to zoom in. Now this space that is here, I'm going to add a quote. So I'm going to just take this image up a little, okay. I'm going to add a quote. Good. Love. Now look at this. I'm going to come to Google and I'll search for Valentine quote, quick Valentine quote. This time around I'm editing this stuff to make more sense. I'm going to search for quick Valentine quote. You see 83 Valentine quote. There are a lot of Valentine quotes here. I'm just going to pick one. Right, I love this one. 100 hearts will be too few to carry all my love for you. I like this. So I'm just going to copy this quote. Look at it. I'll copy this quote. Right. Then I'm going to copy it. I would come back to the design I'm editing. Very simple. I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on test. When I click on the test, I'm going to allow it load and I'll click on, I'm going to add test. Right, I'm going to click on add lead 2 bit of body test. I'm going to click this and I'm going to paste that quote here. Boom. 100 hearts will be too few to carry all my love for you. Now I'm going to check the style of this particular test. This is poppins. I'm going to select this Canva sans. I'm going to change this to poppins for consistency. I'm going to search for poppins. Right, enter. This is it. I'm going to select these poppins. Then I'm going to reduce the size is not bad. I'm just going to reduce it a little. I don't want it to be to drag all the attention there. Now I'm going to make it bold. Then another thing again I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce because I'm making it bold, I'm going to make it like this. It should not be too shouty. So look at this. 100 hearts will be too few to show all my love for you, something like that. Then I'm going to put a quotation right in between. I'll put it in quotation so that the person will know that it is actually a quote, right? Look at it. 100 hearts will be too few to carry all my love for you. I can increase this a little, just make it like 60. Right, it is good like this. Now with this quote, I can now increase now come here to now move the happy Valentine's Day upward. Then the from and the to, I'm going to reduce it a little. From, this is not supposed to take time, like it's very easy to do. Then to, right, look at the design, right. So we're going to leave it. This from and the to is something that you can easily write with biro, right? Then this happy Valentine's Day, I'm going to put it here, right? And I can increase it a little, right? Boom. This is it. Another thing again I can do is I can actually leave this like this. I can change this text to red. You know, Valentine is red, the color is red, but the black is okay, so I'm not going to use that. I'm going to leave it with this black. Then one thing again I can do is I can look for a art sign. I'll put it somewhere from this from to to, but I'll make it very, like, you will not even notice it. Look at this. I'm just going to search for heart or love, right? You're going to give me the art sign. I can check for photos. I can check for, I've seen something that I like actually. I can pick something like this, and I'm going to take it, I'll put it somewhere around there, right? This Happy Valentine's Day part. And I'm going to go to the transparency. This is me just doing extra physio, and I'm going to make this like 10. You can see it's just giving it like a shadow effect behind it. You wouldn't hardly notice, but then, right, it makes it look sweeter. And I can even increase it a little to probably, let's see 15. That's too much, right? Oh, beautiful. I love this. So look at this. We've created a Valentine's Day card just like that in how many minutes? And this card looks very nice, and boom, this is it. So with this, we are going to make sure that everything is looking well placed, well aligned, you know. Good, it's looking well aligned now. And now I can choose to export this. All I need to do is just click on this and just write Happy Valentine's Day card, you know. Then I'll click on share. On this share, I'm going to click on download. Then I'll download the current page, and I'll just come here, click on all pages, and I'll click on all pages, and I'll click on page 1. This is the current page, and I'll click on done, and I'll click on download. Now this way I've created my first card. I can go on to create many cards like this. I can go on to actually edit this second card, but for the sake of the tutorial, you guys already know what I want to do. So look at this particular card. Look at this one, right? You can just come here, this quote, you can change the quote to my only star. You can change it to my only love. To my only love. You can just change it to my only love, right? And you can look for another quote to replace the quote that is here. You can change this color to something else. Just play with it, play around the card, and come up with something more creative. That way you have owned it. Then you can, now I've downloaded this particular design. Let me open it so you guys can see that I'm going to go back and upload it on a website. I'm going to show you the website you are going to upload it to. Alright, so look at the design, look at the card, cardroom.com. We've come up with this design. So this particular design is what I'm going to upload. Now one thing that's very important, like I told you guys, is that there are some things you need to take note of. Now for you to upload on this platform, there is a rule that you must make sure you do, and it's very simple. It's not a big deal. Like the first thing is that you're going to click on sell my card design. When you come to the website, you come to sell my card. Oh god, I have a call. Now let me open the website so that you can see. Now this is cardroom.com, the official website. When you come to this place, people that are coming to buy card are going to click on find a card. They'll click on find a card, but you are not coming to find a card. We are here to make money from you. We are here to do business, because they sell every card for $5 and we get paid after they sell the card. So basically what we are going to do is we are going to click on sell your design. We're going to click on sell your design, and once you click on sell your design, now you are going to see this page, sell your greeting card design, make money and build your online brand name in minutes. So basically you're going to click on sell my card design, and the beautiful thing is that you're going to be getting paid for every of your card sale. You'll be getting paid royalty for every of your card sale. So it's not a one-time payment. As people are taking the card, they are selecting the card, the platform will continue to pay you, right? So when you click on sell your design, they are going to show you the requirement. This is what I was trying to tell you guys. Now the requirement is you must have an online presence. This could be a website, a blog, or even a Facebook page. So you need to create a Facebook page. I already have a Facebook page. To create a Facebook page is not like a big deal, something that is very easy to do. If you have a blog, good and fine, but then they said you must have an online presence and you must submit at least 3 greeting card designs. Designs must be in form of a greeting card. We do not accept photograph or drawing or artwork that is not in any form of a greeting card. Greeting card design should have an outside and inside, or be marked blank, and design should be specific for either birthday, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, or whatever it is. So I have a website, I have a Facebook page and stuff, so I can go on to proceed. But you guys can just easily go on Facebook and create a Facebook page. It's totally free, right? It's very easy to create a Facebook page. In less than probably 3 minutes, I've created a page. Now when you come to this place, you are going to put your email address. You put your name, your first name and your last name. You put your email address and you put your password. You sign up, you create an account here, I'm going to create an account so that you guys can just see the inside of this place. Save this password. Now from here, I'm going to put my website. So yeah, you can put the link of your Facebook page if you create a Facebook page. But let's say I just want to put my website. Just put like my website. Yes, alpha.com. Then I'm going to write something about yourself. I am a digital content creator, right? Please, I'm not going to be submitting this because this doesn't really, I just don't want to waste time writing a lot of things. Then you're going to submit at least 3 greeting cards. After you click on this page, you click on this 100 characters. So I don't have time composing all this, but you compose 100 words. Then when you submit it, you're not going to put your 3 cards that you have designed. Then after that, you begin to design more cards, upload on the platform, and once people start buying your card, you start getting paid, right? You start getting paid. There are various payment methods on this platform, but once you create your account, you sign up, and or you pick the payment method that is convenient for you. Guys, this is where I'm going to end this video because I got an important code I have to go and take care of. So guys, you just go on and finish the remaining part of the process. The major part of it, I've done it. This particular method is going to fetch you a good amount of money during this Valentine's period if you take it very serious and you make a lot of cards and you just upload them. Now, if you find this content helpful, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, and if you are watching my channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and I hope to answer all your questions you have in the comment section. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video. Alpha Wolf signing out.